Hello, Sampak. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, this is Pankaj Kallurwar. My spouse name is Mrs. Pranali. I'm having one daughter. She is Shruti, pursuing first year engineering from Ramdev Baba College, Nagpur, in IT stream. My birthplace is Chandrapur. Talking about hobbies, I don't have such a particular hobby, but I am fond of playing ground sports, and I like to visit historic places. I'm very much interested in places and history. Always interested to know the facts. Like to visit historic cities. Interested in learning technical things. My business name is Exotic Leisure Tours. I started my business in 2007. We are one of the best travel agencies in Nagpur, providing services for air ticketing, domestic and international packages. We are well trained for providing consultation of visa services, and we are franchisee of one of the biggest travel agency in India, that is Vina World. I had worked with Metal Toys. We were manufacturer of Barbie dolls and Hot Wheel collection. I worked there from 1993 to 2000 in production department. From 2000 to 2008, I run a travel courier agency in partnership. Still, it is taken over by my partner. I was running an intra-city courier as well. Next. My education qualification is BSc from Institute of Science Nagpur, and I have done my PG diploma in business management from IGNOU Open University. Skill, I am mostly more active in analysis, hard work, always interested to learn technical skill. That's why I always be active in all technical seminars from Sampark also. Clubs and organization. I am not associated with any special group in Nagpur. I had served a lot of social groups in Nagpur. Rotary, JCI, Lion and many more. I was elected Joint Secretary of Student Union for the year 1992-93 at Nagpur University campus while studying MSc Mathematics. I was also a core committee member for Reunion Committee for 87 batch of Somalwar High School. I am an active member for Travel Agent Association of India, Nagpur chapter, and also a member of Sampark. I was a regular blood donor, almost donated around 35 times from 1992 onwards. But from last 5-6 years, I am unable to do it since I am having medication of thyroid and regular donor at Shraddhanand Anathalaya. Goals. My goals were to take retirement at the age of 55 years, but due to COVID last 2 years, we are out of business. So it may be extended till 2-3 years again. I want to build a network of quality customers, have a good and big happy team to maintain proper financials. My success stories are from last 5 years. I was one of the top 10 travel agents in Nagpur for Go Airlines and Indigo Airlines. We are serving clients like Vicolab, L&T, Chartered Account Institute of Nagpur, and as well as Mumbai. And I am proud to say Team One Architect, the company who designed Shivaji Smarak at Mumbai, is my client from last 5 years. Spacesuit Furnitures and lot of small and big enterprises. Intra-city courier. In 2001, when I started my courier agency, I started intra-city, where we took bulk packages from Nagpur and delivered in Nagpur. And that time only two professional companies were there. One of mine and one is other. And mine is the totally intra-city courier, where we are taking only from city only. Next. I was second in Vidarbha for business generation for Vina World in 2020. We are having a lot of specialization program for from international tourism board. I am proud to say that I am specialized for tourism boards like South Africa, Tourism Australia, New Zealand, Dubai, Swiss Tourism, Fiji Tourism, and many more tourism. Customer types I would like to have are all customer willing to travel. Corporate companies need services for air ticketing and business meeting. We can arrange, we are having lot of venues where we can arrange MICE as well as destination wedding. My three best customers are those who keep faith on me, not money conscious, who has time to discuss and plan, able to pay dues on time. Referrals I need those who are traveling a lot for leisure or business. We can provide best service in competitive pricing. Next. My memory hook is my company name itself is Exotic. Exotic means we can provide you special services. And my tagline is travel with expert. We are expertise in all the travel related products. And thank you. This is once again, this is Pankaj Kallura representing Exotic Leisure Tours Nagpur. Thank you all.